those are some of your headlines. Out to the plaza for some food and some grilling. Of course, you're going to find Pete out there.
Thank you.
Yes, this is true.
Psyched.
The weather, they keep on writing in this that the weather is getting warmer. Not really, but I guess in a few places it is. Meaning, if it's getting warmer, it is time to heat up the grill.
Of course. Here was some ideas for a spring barbecue. Celebrity chef George Duran, he's the author of Take This Dish and Twist It, and joins us this morning. Thanks for being here, chef.
Yeah, I got some really cool things now that grilling season started.
Yeah.
One of the food hacks that I like to do is taking one of those muffin tin pans.
Yep, that never get used.
That never get used. And what I do is I put different dips inside of it that go in the grill, and as they bubble up like an artichoke dip or a blue cheese dip, then you match it with the right chips, and I'm using pop chips over here. These guys
just warms up the dip and gets it
exactly. And all you do is you just match it to the dip. So like their little buffalo chip over here goes perfectly with the blue cheese dip, and these guys have half the fat of potato chips.
Don't you spend all your day refilling these little chip things though? Because this
you do the bigger
multiple
muffin ones too, the larger muffins too. These are more cupcake-like. So whatever you want. Here's a sour cream.
I don't do enough blue cheese dip.
The cheddar. So all you do is you put it on the grill, bubble it up, and you serve it like this. It's a lighter way to serve chips, and this way you can kind of enjoy the dips and a little appetizer and amuse-bouche, as they say.
So there's an amazing-looking chicken on this grill over here. By the way,
I'm going to show you how to make spatchcock chicken. Anyone know how to make spatchcock chicken?
No.
All right, spatchcock chicken is pretty much flattened chicken, and you take the chicken. These guys are from Just Bear, and the beauty of this is that there's zero antibiotics. Absolutely, never ever they use antibiotics in their chickens. All natural, and you cut off with a shear the backbone over here. That's all it is. You cut off the backbone.
That's what they did to Ed.
Sorry. Nice.
There.
That was the line of the day.
Once you cut off the backbone, you're ready to go. This guy will just flip open. You use your fist to kind of just push it in.
Whoa.
This guy flattens up, and you make your marinade. The marinade, which is right over here, I'm going to wipe my hands really well here. It's very simple. It's just canola oil, and right in the bag, actually, because you want to marinate with canola oil, sugar, garlic, sesame oil, a lot of soy sauce in there. This is a barbecue Korean chicken that Just Bear has on their site, justbear.com. JustBearChicken.com, and you mix that in there. You throw the spatchcock chicken in there.
Inside the bag.
Well, you put it inside the bag for a few hours, and once that marinates, you want to put it directly on your grill. And again, you want to have a high-quality chicken that has never seen any antibiotics. And what you see here is the beauty of all these dishes over here. So this is the Vision Grill. This is one of my the reasons.
Vision Grill.
The Vision Grill.
This grill
that's right.
is amazing, by the way.
Yeah, it's Kamado style grill. It retains heat like crazy, but the beauty of this chicken is not only can you use it with charcoal like I have it here, but this insert comes off and you can use it as propane during the weekdays, 5 days a week. These guys are available at Home Depot and Sam's Club. And watch this chicken. It's like falling off the bone. This is the way you want to have a really nice, beautiful, hormone-free, it's fresh. Oh, really? You're going to try one of these, right? Okay, here we go. Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of the thigh over here, just like that. Look at that.
Did you make a grilled cheese donut over here for that?
Oh, man, did I ever. Absolutely.
What is up with that?
Again, the beauty of this is that you can do low and slow cooking, and I ended up making this grilled cheese donut. It's literally a donut that I've cut in half, thrown a piece of
Let's try this.
Throwing some pieces of cheese inside of it. You can throw bacon in there too, ham, pepperoni, whatever you want, and repurpose the donut like we don't have anything else to do with it.
Who wants a donut?
George Duran, you're amazing. And the Vision Grill. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
For being here. We're going to eat Abby.
Yeah, let's eat.
That
Maybe we'll
looks
bring
so
something
good.
for you.